Oh, lovely. What's this? I do. Yeah. You want this? You want this? Hello, pelak kejar. Welcome to my vlog. Mata ngin lại cha PB cha cột yan. Te namar ngin lại kita dari don ka event jong aku. Te hang ne don u JDD biri. Team D biri. Down. Tang. Itu nào yêu. Tây tụ bị liều. New bakin. Bakin. Anh này cho anh thì thao lại. Sẽ cốt giật bảy Marian. Ini lebusan apa aku lihat ni? Lebusan apa?
Tak tahu. Itu
Mediti.
Siapa pergi naik letih?
Terperlak dewan ni u. Panu gue. Wan oh, wak gamer ni tu gue. Gue player ini ball.
Hi.
Ay, coba.
This is the only uniform we always wear in Jubilean Divine.
Ni tu sabi.
Ni là sabi. That's all lie. The utai we chopri. Wa em po gari yong na.
Ma modify ka gari ko po.
Cái gì là một mì na. Chỗ này sao thuộc lắm. Yom cái này ông Jersey cái này. Cái này.
Ulai beach ne. Được. Lihat Jesse Gill. Lihat Jesse Gill.
Yang nanya.
Modify kamu padu bayo.
Ni lah apa ini aku lihat tanang bu galian ini nang ai parking. La. Wah gamer melek lang. T-shirt ala lech keman. Sting ni grade ada bos lama tang. Isilah. Kamu senyamin eh.
Biar ni gue ngalah ada shoot video ya tak nak. Mana om?
Blok kerja.
So we are ready.
Kamu ni mah.
Yang.
Sebelum mau kena.
Ya.
Tete lagi. Yang laju keman. Biar ada member.
Nambar. Boy om nambar. Iya, ada nambar. Mereka orang nambar.
Ngandru. Tangin rumah siapa? Bisa noi. Kurang checking. Inside. Wow. Inside courtyard. Okay. Oh, this is IQ. This is the one.
ये मेरा टीम है।
ये वो इवेंट कराते हैं और कितने बजे बोलो ना
Cool. Custard meat. Hi, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Fine. How are you?
Did you one chance?
Oh,
Okay, nice to meet you.
Yes, finish. Kita ni nang apply nang SIM ID mo.
Tiket jam.
Kerja. Iudon lah itu. Ya betul. Number 6. May bantin. Number 6. What's this? IQ. Yeah. You want this? You want this? You get this? You pegang ni.
This is the best main.
I hope IQ will come back again.
For sure. I have been using this phone, IQ phone, since the past 5 years, and it is the best phone.
Same. So many years. IQ. You know, man come ideal food watch hot and come.
Emotional damage. I'm not really Steve. I'm not really
Ini semua.
Yeah, I'm not
Benar.
unboxing. Wow, it's very. Oh my goodness, premium. See, salah.
Oh,
Paisa Arli quality. It's a very good quality.
still kan ni.
So it's very unique. So you won't lose it as well. While keeping it, it's very good.
Hat dari bang. Hat dari bang.
Update ni untuk apa tai gini?
Yang ngambil Risa. Ngau lẹ lọc sắp đến ngàn. Oh.
Almost million.
Ini trong rồi. Ngam bacon. Không review. Ambas alam selipa. Ai cô nó.
Kamu amatir ficar slefan di free ligado. Ni John.
Kamu senyum.
Dia ni. Apa ni sini?
Bukan ini. Kamu senyum ha.
Sudah pangdam. Tip-top lelah.
Tak mau.
20% dah ni.
Hmm?
20% dah ni.
Tak mau.
Apa ya?
Aman kan praktis ngaruh nuk suara. Ini udah perlu.
Iuno kan ni praktis.
Impar kau lu. Kamu tahu kok grup yang musim grup yang aku sah. Tangbar. Uyo yang kita pak grup anti kedur. Kuyo pima.
Just wait and watch.
This guy. Oh my. Masih ada. What's this? Aku. Kata ya bam cuai.
Ngan ni.
Tengah ni mah.
Ngan ni. Penyong kalang tu.
Pegang lain. Tunggu di.
Ngan ni.
Ni telu tenis nanu.
Ni kan dah boy ong ini.
Ni tenis. Nanti yo ideal yo.
ये देख ये जो आदमी ना सिर्फ खाने के लिए आता है.
सिर्फ खाने के लिए. But ni, do you know this guy? Do you know this guy?
Do you know this guy? This guy is
This guy.
number 1 food guy.
Number 1, BJS.
Yeah, one before the jiggle the kartai.
One before the got lunch. Ni, one before got lunch. Finally, nanti yo refreshment. Yo.
Thank you for coming. Can I have a big round of applause for everyone out here? Thank you. Wow. Another round of applause because you guys came on time, 9 o'clock. Please. Thank you. Hi, I'm Pratap. I'm from the marketing team. I manage IQ community. I'm from Guwahati. I don't understand Khasi, but I have a lot of Khasi friends. They tried to teach me. I don't understand. You're okay with English?
Yes.
Okay. If you are finding it difficult with English, Hindi, we have some friends also here. They can translate. Okay. How many of you first time offline gaming competition? How many? First time. Wow. Thank you. And the pro ones who have been doing a lot of offline gaming tournaments, con pro, all the pro ones. I can't believe it. I see some jerseys also. I see a lot of jerseys. Wow. You know how many people are here in this room? Any guesses? 165.
Whoa.
Wow. Can I have a big round of whoa? 190? Sorry, 190. Wow.
190.
Wow. This was not expected.
Pak, naik bangun bawah ni.
Okay, we do a lot of gaming events. How many of you are here with your squad? Like 4 of you squad. But you know we are doing duo matches, right? So hope you have selected the best one. Pakka? Who all are not playing and coming here to cheer for their friends? Show of hands. Who's not playing? Hi. Wow. Okay. Cheering for your friends? Perfect. Previous updates. This is the MVP list of 2026. In 2026, we've been to 7 cities already. 7 gaming sessions like this have already happened. And you see Aizawl on the top, 21 finishes. So Shillong, will you do 22?
Yes.
More than 22?
Yes.
Brilliant. Okay, so this is the list we keep because next year when January comes, there will be one MVP Cup. So whoever is in the list, they will be playing a MVP Cup. It will be online. It will be streamed on our IQ Esports YouTube channel. So it's quite fun. So try to be on top of this. 2025, you see this list. We've been to 36 cities. 36 cities, we've done the same gaming. We keep all the counts. So all the best, Shillong. You have to do well. You have to be in the top. And I have a soft corner for Shillong and Guwahati. So obviously I want Shillong on top 3. Okay? Great. Can we show? Yeah, some format. Okay. Since we have a lot of people, so normally in smaller cities, sometimes we get 90, 95, 100 people. So in one lobby the match is sorted, right? We have everyone in one lobby. But today we have a lot of people. So there will be 2 qualifying matches before the main 3 matches. Clear? We will divide the group into 2 groups. That means 2 lobbies, 2 matches each. And top 20 from each. Top 20 from each. Okay. Top 20 from each will go to the final round where there will be 3 matches. Clear? So try to play smartly in the qualifying matches so that you are in top 20 and come to the main final. Hope you understand why we have one final and one final, because 85-90 people can only come in one room. All clear? All BGMI players in the house?
Yes.
Free Fire. I have some special friends who have helped us make this event successful, right? Otherwise, I don't know how you would have got so many people in Shillong, right? Right? Okay. Can I have Monshon join me here? No problem. Please, all yours.
Laki menurut dia kasih. Yo dikasih. Benar Pak? Oh, rambut dikasih.
You know both the language?
Yeah,
Oh,
both.
lovely. Wow, great.
Kamu sekarang begini, gede event. Biar ni. So far lah, biar you know ตอน12 starting tournament กว่ามันมี energy ในพี่วรก็ไปเสียมาเอาไว้1 2 3แล้ว IQ เลย 1 2 3
Thank you.
เสียเดี๋ยว1 2 3
Thank you.
You are also DJ, right? Thank you.
Dan kamu yoi ini tak pun I perspective because kami best body with ambassador dan cepat tahu nongrok ketahuan buku unbox sekali. We're gonna unbox it now. Unbox it. Bayi telur yang ini pun. Dong ini telur tengah atas. Yung paningnya kau kan tidak terbawa.
Alright guys, this is the new IQ 15 and we got yeah, let's open it up. It feels premium. On your hand it does feel premium.
What's inside the
Payo ini.
Oh yeah, we can check out the box.
the scented size? Change color.
Oh, just
Kiong galak anjing color. Like sini nih. Like kecil color.
Here, like this. Yeah.
Kecil
so
color.
let's change color. Yeah. And inside the box,
The color.
and the SIM ejector as well.
A special round of applause for Nitin also for helping us plan this long event.
Hello guys, hello everyone. This is Nitin Pawar. I'm an IQ community moderator and event intern at IQ. So thank you so much for showing up guys. You have given us lots of love. I was not expecting this much of people, but Vansal, Visudi and other guys, we were, they all helped me a lot in organizing this. So thank you so much guys.
Gila AI room. Kita enjoy nama. Nampak enjoy.
Everyone is playing.
Second TTK spread. Come here.
Group B. Oh. Jom kita ladat kita untuk kenara. Kita untuk kena deh. Ini saya Arnold. Ini dah koi final ke? Koi final ke?
They play like UN Sun and Pikachu. We will start with the lucky draw. We have
Bro, really?
guys, please take a seat.
Kenapa nak yuk?
Tip dia yok mom yok the M2.
Can we do start? Okay. 2 sippers, 1 name. Start.
Kita jengah.
Some can kneel down here, Just kneel down here, these guys.
Simpul foto nak mah. Bye. Overall, bye. Cái điều qualify gì?
Qualify ke?
Ayo lại là bấm lên nó. Udah bấm dekat aja. Dia canang bang. Dia canang. Wes. Bali kira last nih kira. Ini the number 1 mah ini kalian.
Bayok siya ba?
Soup.
Pesta soup. Pesta soup.
Tertong biong.
Yuk di.
Bam kelam seram. Bam kelam seram bam. Look, yo kan. Makan kira. Kaman siam. Bang manong ka.
Ice cream.
All right, so everyone has moved out from the plane.
Indeed. It seems like the players are getting ready. You can see
He doesn't know how many people are inside. He's making sure he's clearing all the sites.
seems like he's just gonna go in and rush. He's just
Exactly,
going
there we
to
go. Another
yes.
block. There goes the shot. Very tall. Right to the back. That is. He's waiting for the right time. Gets the head. He's in. They know that he's there. Gets the kill. 27. I'm really sorry.
Lên nó sợ. Kena ngiyok na aku. Thanks aku. Nice promotion. You don't know, swap कर लेंगे, swap.
See, on our icon Instagram, we keep on hosting our contest. Jersey also sold jerseys and all.
No, but I wanted a sign from you.
I will get it signed from Mortal or Thakur.
Where they have to pose with Apex. We have sent the prompt and all so that you can copy the prompt and create the image.
Events. Even here also I was planning.
Let's swap ना, swap.
दिलाएंगे 112 हो गई ना तो दोनों भिजवानी पड़ेगी ना उससे.
Come back again, come back.
Okay, so thank you so much guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lakut ke event time ngimpukun nak ikan ni video. Saya continue dekat way dekat event dekat way dekat vlog. So thanks for watching.